How to play Helldivers 2 with the controller. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this instructional video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up and playing Helldivers 2 with the controller. It is crucial that you follow the steps carefully to ensure a smooth setup. Firstly, you'll need to ensure that your controller can be connected to your PC and recognized properly. Additionally, the game must be launched through the Steam in order for the controller setup to work seamlessly. Steam's feature called the Steam Unit will automatically configure the controller for you when the game is launched through the Steam. Once you have launched the Helldivers through Steam, connect your controller to your PC, right-click in the game and navigate to the properties, and make sure that the Steam input is enabled for all types of the controllers, including Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and generic controllers. You can access the controller configurator to explore more options and customize your controller layout. After enabling Steam input, click on the controller configurator to view support information, layout, and customizable options. You can choose from the recommended layouts, templates, or create your own custom layout. Steam input will then take over and automatically adjust all the button bindings and return to the game, and you will see that the controller inputs have been successfully configured. The confirmation button and the other controls will now respond to your controller. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in setting up and playing Helldivers 2 with a controller. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more easy tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.